Let's staple it onto the frame. We're going to staple it off at 300mm centres as per the manufacturer's specs. And then we're going to go through and cut our openings. Finding the corner first. So we'll fold our corners round. Now we're ready to flash the corners of the openings as per the Thermakraft installation guide. We'll cut a bunch of butterfly strips. Min 200, so we'll go there. Making sure your corners are extending each way by at least 200 mils. I like to go slightly bigger to make sure you meet it. Fold these bad boys in half. So I got my butterfly strips and my 400mm pieces. Now we're ready to flash the opening as per standard. We would do top and bottom of all openings as you normally would for any synthetic wrap. Using 150mm wide minimum if you're on a 90mm frame. And our second butterfly strip on the tops. Look at that. Obviously you do the bottom of any sills, 200mm upstands. Once you've flashed that, you're now ready to install cavity battens. This is where you'd slow down and go through and mark all of your studs. You could even feel for the nail heads under the underlay and you would just go, oh, right, stud. And you'd nail this through your bracing onto your studs as per manufacturer's specs. And lastly, gather up any offcuts. Your Thermakraft can be recycled at collection points. Check out the website. And as always, saveBOARD can go back to the factory to be turned into more saveBOARD. Thanks for watching this install guide. I hope it helps you on site.